What are you doing? Yeah, you gay. You're gay.
How? How?
Hold up. Nah, fam. You're gay.
How?
Hold up. What is that, water?
Nope.
What if your mom just walks in, bro? She just hears that. What do you? Why?
Why what?
Why are you going like weirdo?
Go, Yuki.
What are you doing? Smashing your elbow together?
Mm-mm.
Tell me,
Mm-mm.
bro. Tell me what you're doing right now. It's low-key disgusting. Sounds like you're smacking your cheeks together. Just.
Oh my god, it's a scythe.
Yeah, I'm done, man. You're getting posted on YouTube, kid. I don't care. I don't care. I'm getting clicked on. Oh my god, you're getting. Exactly, that's what I thought.